Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Self Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level of an Audi Q8. It's a 2018 model. After changing the oil, you have to check the level, of course. The difficulty with this car is that it doesn't have a mechanical oil level stick. It's all electronic, and I'm going to show you how you can reach that and then check the oil level of this car. This is a 2018 model, and in my next video I'll be showing the surface indicator reset for this car, and if you like you can watch that video also. Let's start with this one. First of all, to check the oil level, the car must be warm, so you have to drive it for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then when it reaches about 90 degrees, and then you can check it. We have to go to this area, check the home button. Okay, then we have to choose this one, check this one, and when you scroll down you see oil level. Yes, and normally when I checked it before, it says the car must be warm and wait for about two minutes. If the car is warm, you have to wait for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you'll get this indicator over here that checks the oil level, and that's how you check the oil level of a Q8 2018 model Audi. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos, upcoming videos, tips and tricks about cars. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos so I can work on it, and hope to see you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.